There are two supports of your consciousness. One is prana, the energy, and one is vasana, the desires. And both are very important for your consciousness to experience this world. Prana is the force, it's the energy which is responsible for every manifestation, which is responsible for all creation, what you see in today's world. Our brain can imagine the object only spatial 3 dimension. What if your brain can start experiencing apart from 3 dimension? Means your energy started channelizing into these dimensions where your senses cannot reach. You get superpowers. That's what pranayama comes into place. And that's the reason it's called pranayama. Ayama means dimension. When you took birth, when you're born, you had a certain amount of pranic flow in your body. You had a certain quantum of prana. Quantity of prana and the quality of prana, they change constantly. It depends where you live, depends with whom you live, your environment, the food you take, the breath you inhale, everything. Why pure air is important for pranayama? Because it is not only satisfying the experience of oxygen in your body, but it is also responsible the quality, the quantum of prana in your body. More the pure air you inhale, quantum of prana, the energy level will expand. More the weak air you will inhale, the energy level goes down. I received many questions about prana, why pranayama is important, why you have to do breathing exercise, and when you should do this pranayama practice, whether it is morning or at night, how much to do, what are the steps. You're also asking me, do I run such kind of program where you learn these pranic practices to boost your energy system? How pranayama can clear the previous samskaras, the collective samskaras, how it can clean the sin. Soon I'm doing pranayama course on 21 days, pranayama sadhana. And I want to invite you in that course. That's a completely live course, but of course recordings are also available. Join this course and experience this pranic body. This pranayama 21 days sadhana is very powerful sadhana. So if you want to clean your pranic body, if you want to heal your body, this pranic sadhana is very important. If you really want to understand the pranic, how the prana works, how this energy works, how to boost this quantum of prana, the amount of prana, how to expend it, this course is very important. Link is in description. And join this. I will see you soon in the course. So our topic is today based on this pranayama practice. Now, when we say prana ayama, pran, understand the pran. What is prana? Prana is the energy. It is a vital force which is responsible for all this creation. Consciousness stays forever. It is there. But this consciousness need to experience the world. That experience is given by prana shakti, the energy. So whatever you are experiencing right now, it is based on your pranic level. If you are not experiencing abundance, if you are experiencing poverty at mental level and physically also, in society also, it is also the quantum of prana you are carrying with you. If you are having the mental disorder such as depression, anxiety, tension, disturbance, or any physical disturbance, it is also the quantum of energy you are having with you. Because as I said, this prana, this energy is responsible for every experience as you get. So this is also, pain is also experience you get. If you change the quantum of prana at positive way, you can change the experience at physical level. You can change the experience at mental level. And that's the reason you have heard many times that when you do certain pranayama practice, you feel better mentally. When you do certain pranayama practice or some asana practice or meditation practice, you feel the healing at physical level also. Because you are changing the pranic level. And that you are expanding the prana. And that's expansion called ayama. Ayama means dimension. Prana is that force, but ayama is a dimension. Human body can experience the 3 dimension. There are more dimension which your senses cannot perceive in, which your senses cannot experience. And that dimension, why it's not cannot experience? Because your pranic level is not reaching there. Your prana force is not reaching there. But once your pranic energy will channelize into these dimension, all the senses started experiencing them too. And based on this, yogis, they gave us the structure of pranic body. the structure of chakras, that there are 7 chakras. How do they know? There are 7 chakras or 6 chakra. Goraksha Samhita says, Shat chakram shodasadharam dvilaksham vyoma panchakam swadehe tena jananti kim kathayanti yoginah. Shati chakram, 6 chakra you have, 6 energy centers you have, and your energy centers are giving you energy in all body to function, organs to function. How the yogis knows that there are 72,000 energy channels, and these energy channels are like nadis, like a canal which takes the prana into this energy channel and prana travels all around. How the theory of subtle body came into place. It is all because of this pranic force reached to certain dimension where the normal, common people, ordinary people cannot take their prana that level. And that's the reason ayama is important. Expansion is important. Channelization of this prana into these dimensions is important, and that's why you have to do pranayama. And once you allow this prana to reach to this dimension, all the physical vyadhis, physical problems, mental adhis, mental problems disappear. This pranayama practice works as a healing process. That's why you have seen and you have heard from many people that I am doing pranayama since many years and it healed my this problem. In many deep level, it heals the cancer, such kind of deep sickness. And more deeper if you go, it heals the samskaras also. The samskara, the collection or the sin which we carry from our previous births, from many births in the past. We carry these samskaras because that karmic principle, this karmic law is not easy to understand. Whatever you are experiencing in today's life, it is not because you have done something in this life. It is because also that you are carrying this karmic account from your previous births, from many births, and now the fruit from your karma is prepared and now you're experiencing it.